Every time fuel burns inside the cylinder, heat is generated. Temperatures can exceed 2000 degrees Celsius. Here are the top 10 reasons why engine may overheat and how to fix them. Number 10. Low coolant level. Coolant absorbs heat from the engine and carries it to the radiator. If the coolant level drops to low, the engine loses its ability to transfer heat effectively. How to fix it? Check the coolant reservoir and refill it with the correct coolant mixture. If the level keeps dropping, inspect the system for leaks. Number 9. A faulty thermostat. The thermostat controls how coolant flows through the radiator. If it gets stuck closed, coolant can't circulate properly, causing temperatures to rise rapidly. How to fix it? Replace the thermostat. It's relatively inexpensive component that can prevent major engine damage. Number 8. Radiator problems. The radiator releases heat from the coolant into the surrounding air. Dirt, debris, or internal corrosion can block the radiator and reduce cooling efficiency. How to fix it? Clean the radiator fins and flush the cooling system. Replace the radiator if it's severely clogged. Number 7. A failing water pump. The water pump keeps the coolant moving throughout the engine. If the pump fails, coolant circulation stops and overheating begins almost immediately. How to fix it? Inspect for coolant leaks near the pump, unusual noises, or wobbling pulleys. Replace the water pump if necessary. Number 6. Cooling fan failure. At low speed or while sitting in traffic, the cooling fan pulls air through the radiator. If the fan stops working, temperatures can climb quickly. How to fix it? Check the fan motor, relay, fuse, and temperature sensor. Replace any faulty components. Number 5. A leaking cooling system. Leaks reduce coolant level and introduce air into the system, both of which decrease cooling performance. Common leak points include hoses, radiator, water pumps, and head gaskets. How to fix it? Perform a pressure test to locate the leak and replace damaged parts. Number 4. Broken radiator hoses. Radiator hoses carry coolant between the engine and radiator. Over time, heat and pressure can cause them to crack or collapse. How to fix it? Inspect hoses for swelling, cracks, or soft spots and replace any worn hoses immediately. Number 3. A blown head gasket. The head gasket seals the combustion chamber and coolant passages. If it fails, combustion gases can enter the cooling system and coolant can leak into the cylinders. Symptom includes white exhaust smoke, coolant loss, and bubbles in the radiator. How to fix it? A blown head gasket requires professional repair, and delaying the repair can destroy the engine. Number 2. Low engine oil. Engine oil doesn't just lubricate moving parts. It also helps remove heat from components like piston and bearings. Low oil levels increase friction and heat buildup. How to fix it? Check the oil level regularly and use the manufacturer recommended oil grade. Number 1. A clogged cooling system. Over time, rust, debris, and old coolant can block coolant passages, reducing heat transfer throughout the engine. This is one of the most common causes of chronic overheating. How to fix it? Flush the entire cooling system and replace old coolant according to the maintenance schedule. Final thoughts. An overheating engine should never be ignored. Continued driving with high temperatures can warp the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, damage pistons, and even lead to complete engine failure. Regular maintenance and early diagnosis can save one from repairs.